it's hot. Really hot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another as seen on TV product, and this time I have the air fryer. So we're gonna see if this as seen on TV product lives up to its name. So what it's claiming is up to 70% less calories from frying this as opposed to deep frying it. So if you look right here at the bottom, it says enjoy these crispy fried foods without the guilt. So they're showing like all this food down here at the bottom, guys. And I have some fries. This is gonna be the first thing that I would like to put to the test and see if it actually lives up to its name. So you've seen the infomercials. Let's get down to business. So right here is where you should fill it up to. You shouldn't fill it any further than that. And you're gonna take your tray, stick this down here in the bottom. Okay, and now I'm gonna take our fries. I have our fries in here. Take it, push it in until it snaps. And we're going to take it and plug it up. Turn it to 400 degrees and 20 minutes. Okay, so for dinner tonight, I am making some beef fajitas, and I have this in the refrigerator, and it is only 0.90 pounds, so this is in that range of a half to 1.1 pound that they have recommended, and they say that this is supposed to cook in, I believe, 8 to 12 minutes. So I am going to also put this to the test once I'm done with the French fries. I can smell it in the air. I'm ready. I'm excited. Come on. Time's up. I'm so excited. Oh, it's hot. Really hot. Look. What? Look at the fries. Oh, they look like they would if they were on a stove. Oh my God, they are golden. Look at that! It looks like they cooked a whole bunch. Let's pull them out. Oh my goodness. I'm wasting them like everywhere. Look at that. And it only has like a couple of crumbs that are in there. Look at these fries. Oh my God. They look so good. I am ready. So they're hot. Oh yeah. Oh, they're hot. But I gotta get into these fries. I gotta taste it and see. Oh my God. I am so mad at myself for not getting one of these sooner. This is the bomb. It literally tastes like I got this from a fast food restaurant. Oh my God. Guys, when I tell you seriously, these are cooked to perfection. I cannot believe all this time I've been sitting here eating fries fried on the stove with grease or cooked in the oven when I could have just had this air fryer. Oh my God. Now, some foods do require you to take it out and shake it around. I believe the fries was one of those, but I completely forgot. I was just so excited and ready to see. But yeah, I guess that's just another way of saying, like, if you really want to thoroughly have it cooked, definitely make sure you take it out at a certain point and shake it around. But other than that, wow. Okay, so now I have my steak here for my fajitas. So I am just going to basically do the same thing that I did before by taking this portion here, always making sure it's right there at the bottom. Go ahead and place that inside. And I'm just gonna put my meat in here. It's like it's not enough room in here, so I'm thinking that at a certain point I may just have to rotate it just to be sure, but we'll see in a minute. Yeah, I'm basically just trying to make sure I'm getting everything in every corner. Okay, so see, we have that here. 160 and 12 minutes. All done, and it looks delicious. It looks like it cooked it pretty much to like medium well, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. Yeah, so it took all of it out and basically left all of that fattening juice in the inside. You see the steam here coming off of it? It looks good and it looks juicy. Look at that, it looks good and juicy. We're gonna try one of these pieces. Let's see. There, that looks good. It's actually pretty juicy. Let me take another bite. Wow. Guys, seriously. Once again, I am in awe. I cannot believe this is juicy. It didn't take anything away from this meat. This is very, very good. Like I said before, I'm sold, but this time around, definitely, I'm giving this a thumbs up. This is a 10 out of 10. I am now in love and now a new user and a happy owner of an air fryer. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye.